Earthenware had been an integral part of the kitchen in the olden times when people used to slow cook their meals to retain all their nutrients and flavors. If you have ever tried Handi Dal, Handi Chicken or Handi Biryani, you might have noticed the stark difference in their taste. Food cooked in a handi is far tastier than food cooked in any other type of utensil. In today's time when everyone is so busy that they are rapidly switching to instant food items, the art of cooking in a handi has lost its importance. Craftsman India Clay pots or handi have a number of benefits. Earthen pots not only give an earthy flavor to the food but has also been suggested by Ayurveda as a healthy cooking utensil. Here are some benefits that clay pots offer. If you wish to cook your food in minimal oil, Craftsman India Clay pots are perfect for you. You can cook all your food in just a spoon of oil and make it as healthy as ever. The slow cooking process of clay pots and their heat resistance feature retains the natural oils of food. Clay pots are also porous in nature, which helps the moisture and heat to circulate through the food. Clay is naturally alkaline in nature. When heated up, clay interacts with the acid present in the food, neutralizes the pH levels and makes the food easier to digest. This balancing out of pH levels makes the food much tastier and healthier. Clay pots keep the nutrients of the food intact, which enhances the overall flavor of the meal. It is said that the process of cooking in clay pots adds calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium and sulfur to the food, which is quite healthy for the body. Clay pots are quite inexpensive as compared to other steel and non-stick cooking pots. Craftsman India Clay pots are checked properly for any cracks or holes. You must also avoid glazed clay pots and buy only plain ones. Glazed clay pots are painted with a layer of ceramic paint which can cancel out all the benefits of a clay pot. All pots sold by Craftsman India are unglazed.